Hi friends, and welcome back to TriniKidsTV. My name is Auntie Shade, and it's so nice of you to join us today. Now my friends, let's get started by singing the good morning song. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all our friends that are watching. Hi friends! Now, let's find out the day of the week for today. So far, we have had Monday, Tuesday. What's the day that comes next? Yes, Wednesday. Very good, friends. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. All day long, all day long. Yes, friends, it's Wednesday. And we are in the month of May. Can we say the months together? The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Wonderful. Now let's sing our 7-day song. Ready? Let's sing. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes, and those are the 7 days of the week. Now that we know that, let's find out about the weather for today. Let's sing our weather song. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today, today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Now friends, let's take a look out the windows and see what kind of weather are we having today. Well, where Auntie is right now, it's a windy day, but it's a wonderful day as well. What kind of weather are you having, friends? Ah, wonderful. Now, let's talk about our shape of the day for today. Our shape of the day for today is a semicircle, and that's a wonderful shape. Yes, a semicircle is like half of a circle. Now that we know our shape, let's talk about the color of the day for today. Our color of the day today is the color yellow. Yes, yellow, like the sun in the sky. Yes, and that's a wonderful color. Now that we know our color, let's find out about the number of the day. Take a look, friends. Our number of the day today is the number 5. Yes. Can we all count to our number of the day together? Well, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good, friends. We counted to the number 5. Now that we know all those wonderful things, let's find out about the letter of the day for today. Take a look, friends. Our letter of the day today is C. C for coconut. C for cookie. C for chair. C. Beautiful! That's our super cool letter of the day and the awesome words that go with it. Now that we know our letter of the day, let's take a look at our area of the day for today. Let's hop in our boat, or maybe take a plane and sail or fly to our area of the day for today. Take a look, friends. Our area of the day is chilly. Chile is a country located in South America, and it's a very long and narrow country. It has lots of beautiful places to visit, as well as lovely mountains and open fields. It's a beautiful place, Chile. Yes, and that's our wonderful area of the day for today. Now friends, it's time to talk about our lesson. For today's lesson, friends, we are going to be looking at the letter sounds of the alphabet. A makes two sounds, A and A. A, apple. A, apron. Letter B makes the B sound. B has one sound, B, boat, boat. Letter C makes the K, K sound, K, K, cat, C for cat. Letter D has one sound, D, D, dog, D, dog. Letter E has two sounds, E and E. E, egg, E, eat. Letter F has one sound, F, 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 fish, fish. Letter G has one sound, G, G, girl, G, girl. Letter H has one sound, H, 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 like house, H, house. Letter I has two sounds, I and I. I for ice, I for igloo. Isn't that wonderful? Good job, friends. Thank you for joining me today for today's letter sounds, and I'll see you tomorrow where we'll go through a lot more letter sounds. Bye, friends. Don't forget to subscribe.